Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a silhouette in Canva. Let's get into it. First, pick your photo and put it on the page. The first step is to choose the picture you want to change and place it on your white workspace. You need a photo with a clear shape so the shadow looks good. Click on your photo and drag it onto your main design square. Pick a picture where you can clearly see the person or the object against the background. Because you need a base to work on, you have to place the photo first so the tool knows which item you want to change. Without this step, there is nothing for the computer to turn into a shadow. Next, take away the background. You need to remove everything behind the main person or object so only the shape remains. Click on your photo, then look at the top bar and click the button that says Edit Photo. Find the tool that removes the background and click it to leave just the main subject on the screen. Because a silhouette is just a shape without any extra stuff behind it. By clearing the background, you are making sure your work looks sharp and tidy. It ensures the computer only focuses on the person or item you want to turn into a dark shadow. Next, turn the brightness all the way down. Now you are going to change the colors of the photo so it becomes completely black. While your photo is still selected, look for the settings that let you change the light and colors. Find the bar for brightness and slide it all the way to the left until it reaches the end, because it hides all the details like eyes, hair, or clothes. By turning the light all the way off, you are turning the photo into a solid dark block. It is the key step to getting the right output and making that classic shadow look. And that's it. To make a silhouette in Canva, you must first place your photo on the page. Then, you remove the background to get just the shape. Next, you turn the brightness all the way down to make it dark. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.